Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable Draw Zero to open camera in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the convenient tools. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in convenient tools, okay, you can see the gestures in motion. Okay, you'll have to do is click gesture in motion. And okay guys, here in gesture in motion, okay, you can see on the top the screen of gesture. Okay, you'll have to do is click this. And now here in screen of gesture, and okay guys, you'll have to do is enable the screen of gesture. Okay, you'll have to do is turn on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, here you can see the menu of the screen of gesture. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I will show you how to enable the Draw Zero to open camera in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the switch button on the right side of the Draw Zero to open camera. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the Draw Zero to open camera in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, we can try it. Okay, go back. And okay guys, okay, we have to draw the zero. And okay guys, okay, after you draw the zero, okay, the pop-up below are show, and okay, you can select the camera application. Okay, I choose the camera of the Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.